Radio check. Breaker 19 for radio check. Breaker 19 for a radio check. Can anyone give me a radio check on this radio? Any drivers out there? At least the radio's working loud and clear. I'm just trying out a new antenna on the system, 10-4. So, what's your 1020 at? I'm over by exit 351 over near Rockwood and Harriman, 10-4 on I-40. Alright, thanks for the radio check. You have a good afternoon. Drive safe. Be careful. There's a lot of rain to the east over near Oak Ridge. I just got through up there by Highway 62 not very long ago. So you guys might be running some rain over there. Let's try down there.
Official 27285. Bye. Calling frequency. All gonna do. Bye. Hey, 800 on the state line, 639 Arizona with the wave.
Pretty good quality. We're getting Arizona. This is on the Mangan out right now. You know the ones you guys see the video. It's doing good.
Yeah, appreciate it there, 800, man. I'm sitting here working on this thing, man. I got some RF getting into the shack, getting into this PC, so I've been out here troubleshooting, man. But good to know that it's on transmitting while my screen is jumping around and doing all kinds of crazy things. But that's kind of how it is with the RF, no doubt about it. 800 on the state line, you're sounding a whole heap of good out here in Arizona. 639 Arizona said it. The peanut butter and jelly man. Peanut butter, jelly, peanut butter, jelly, peanut butter, jelly, peanut butter, jelly.
Looking good on this. Looking very good. We're getting a lot of skip on the conditions right now. Not bad on this system. We're getting a lot of South American skip in Mexico right now.
The radio is an SDR, it's an NN10, and I'm working with some rat gear into it, and I'm trying to tickle it the right way to make it do what I want to do there. Go ahead.
You don't want that on there. There's music on there. Guys gotta turn that down on that. They're playing music on the radio. We don't want none of that on YouTube. Trust me, guys. Just had to put that quick. So I'm gonna go, guys. Just want to show you this is the Mangan Mount antenna, the one you guys have seen. I'm gonna do a radio check on this real soon if it works, but I'm gonna get on out of here. We'll bring up some more videos sometime soon. This is Foxman 362 World Radio on YouTube. Wave the hands out there this Saturday, even out there in November. Saturday afternoon. So catch you guys later, and we'll bring out some more videos real soon.